Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator with Bear Bull Traders and I'd like to do a recap for you today. Before I get started, just wanted to say hello everybody. I know I haven't been doing as many recaps lately. Unfortunately, I had a major PC meltdown and I am currently waiting for my new PC to be delivered. It's going to get put together by Hacksaw PCS, so I'm really looking forward to getting it here. But until then, I'm just going to do a couple of recaps just to keep some information out there, but look forward to getting back into Thor trades more once the new setup is here and I can actually do more recording. Good thing about the new setup is that it will have enough storage and processing ability to actually record long periods of time live, so I'll be able to do a lot more live trading videos. So I wanted to go ahead and just do a recap for you today, which I haven't really done one of in quite a while. So as you can see here, I'm actually had I did a trade on mRNA in the pre-market. mRNA has been very strong the past couple days on some very large catalyst for a potential vaccine for the coronavirus. So using VPA, as you know, we're constantly looking for anomalies and various other things. And one thing I noticed was this very big climax here, creating pre-market low here right around 84.52. That big sell-off there on that massive volume really kind of shows kind of an overselling with how much, just how much it moved and how much volume was involved. And a lot of the times with VPA, we utilize that to predict contrary movements. So as you can see here, it went long, bounced up through a little decision in this hammer here, and I went ahead and went long. Gave myself a lot of space. I actually had the stop of the low of pre-market here, this candle here, so I gave myself a ton of space, which means I needed a really big move in order to get good profit. And I went in with, a pretty sizable amount, a better part of $100 risk. So it held here, and you can see it consolidated for a little bit here, and then really out of nowhere, it just squeezed like all get out, and it just popped right up, and I was able to drop. I dropped. This was much more move than I was really looking to get for pretty much the entire move, so and got it very quickly. So I went ahead and dropped 80% of my shares between these three partials. When it went to the open, it hit here and pulled back. I dropped some more, and then I went all out on my last 20%. I held the 20% because I was really hoping mRNA was really going to get going and then boost up. And then not that long ago, it looked like it was going to break out, so I tried a little trade on it and got a partial and stopped out at break even. So good thing, all good things on mRNA today. I tried a trade on CCL today, which was a hit and a miss, if you will, if you're looking at baseball terms. So you can see here, CCL came up nicely, made a hit pre-market high, and then failed, came back down here and bounced. When it came back up and made a new high, you saw we have big volume on the sell-off, not climatic or huge volume, but we were kind of uptrending anyway, so we didn't need a lot of volume here, just more than average, which it was. And we came down here, bounced. I went long here, also good seller stacking up on the level 2, bids supporting. So I went long here, got a couple of partials, and then stopped out to the penny before this thing moved all the way up to 16.76. I think Andrew traded it long off of that, which was awesome. Inevitably would have came back and stopped me out by more than a penny, so I guess I'm okay with that. But is now trading all the way up to 16.82, so very nice. I tried to trade on Delta, one of my better trades of the day, actually, as far as value-wise goes. Delta threw some indecision here under VWAP and did a nice big sell-off, and then came back up through some more indecision. A little more indecision. I went ahead and went long here at the break of the body of this candle. Risk was the low here, 2-1, bam, all the way up to 27.70. Real nice. Stopped out the rest at break even. I had a little trouble getting into a trend today, and actually I never really managed to get into one. Let's see, what else do we got? Let's see, final one I did today, which was a really good trade. I'm really excited about it. At stop operator actually called that out in the chat today. I was not watching play. One of the big benefits to being in a community is sometimes people call some trades out, and he was saying that play looked really good for a squeeze through high a day. I agreed. So I went long, and we had this beautiful move up here. And then I did an ad, got a couple more nice partials, then stopped out at break even. With the amount of volume that we had here, I think this could be the high of the day. I think we might fall after this. That's why I did a nice ad here and then aggressively partialed it. So I was down to 20% a position by the time I went out here, which was just great. Free rolled it as well, which was excellent. So those are the trades for the day. All green day today. I actually didn't have any red trades today. So the market was nice to me. I'm going to be coming up and starting to queue up to do some more Thor trades. So if you all have some different topics or different things you'd like me to cover in the upcoming trades, feel free to throw that out there. And as soon as I get the new PC in, should be in late this week, early next week, I'm going to do a nice little show and tell on the new PC system, and then we'll get into some more specific recaps for everybody. So I hope this recap was helpful for everybody. Hope you're all having a great day, and as always, keep it green. Thanks.